Hello everyone, my name is Ewelina Mistek. I would like to start my presentation by asking you all a question. What do you see here? A blood splatter? Yes? Yes, you're correct. However, in the time that took you to think about the answer, I have already identified this blood stain donor as a Caucasian female between 20 and 40 years old. Isn't that impressive? Wouldn't it be that wonderful to obtain all those details about the donor of a stain in such a short time, in the matter of seconds on scene? Now let me back up a little bit. Let's all think about a crime scene. We approached it, and we are behind the yellow tape now. We see it as a non-blood-like stain. The first question is it really blood? Or maybe other blood-like stains, such as wine, ketchup, or maybe lipstick? Now, is this stain of any importance to investigators? Should we collect it and run all standard tests on it? This could actually lead to wasting time and money. That's why it is very important to obtain some supportive information about the stain even before it is collected from a crime scene. Now let's assume it is blood. Next question is, what origin is it? Is it human or maybe animal blood? And then again, is it of any importance for the case? We are all aware that DNA analysis could reveal critical information about an individual. However, this technique is first of all destructive to the sample, it's time-consuming, it's expensive, and also the results are only of any use when there's a match found in DNA database. That's why it is extremely beneficial to obtain some supportive information about the donor of a stain even before it is sent for DNA analysis. I focused my research on the development of a technique for non-destructive, rapid, and universal identification and analysis of body fluids, mostly bloodstains, using laser light for forensic purposes. This patented technology I'm using is capable of on-site analysis using a device the size of your cell phone. Can you even imagine that? Our method can answer all of the questions I stated earlier in this presentation. We've been able to identify body fluids, differentiate between different species of a blood stain. Also, for the first time using this technique, we've been able to obtain information on the phenotype profile of a person, meaning their sex, race, and age, and get the time since deposition of a stain. All of those results were received with statistical confidence. That's why I really do hope that my research findings will revolutionize the world of forensics in the near future and that we can foil the perfect crime. Thank you.